Hi, how are you doing? Do you do something which can be featured on CNN? Do you do know someone who can do something or does something which should be featured on CNN? Do you live in a city which should be featured on CNN? Do you know a store, a burger shop, a restaurant which should be featured on CNN? If you answered any of those as a yes, um, why don't you get on a video and put it on Facebook? What stops you from getting a video up online and telling about your story so that people can hear about it? Remember that there is no river without a drop of water. There is no ocean without those rivers. So eventually you will be on CNN, but initially you should go ahead and tell your story, tell it to the world, so that eventually you will be on CNN. But if you're going to tell people that, oh no, I don't want to make a video, I don't want to make a big deal out of it, then maybe we should do something else. Because if you really believe in your cause, you should be ready for it. If your cause is your baby, you will do anything for it. So hiding behind the excuse that I'm camera shy or I don't like stage fright, no, but then what will you do when somebody come and tells you, let's feature you on CNN? At that day, you will be ready. But remember that initially you have to go and do small little videos, and eventually somebody will feature you for CNN, because these videos will make your cause big enough, make the person you want to highlight big enough to be on CNN. So that's the message for today. Make a video, post it, and if you do, especially after watching this video, comment that video on here and I'll be happy to see it. So I can see that my little talk helped you make your video. So again, remember, next time somebody wants to videotape you, or next time you're telling something to anyone, ask them to take out your cell phone or take their cell phone out, make a video and post it online. Because if your cause is good enough, why are you telling it to one person? Tell it to the entire world. Tell it to as many people as you can so that they can know about you. Thank you so much. God bless you.